What's up, traders? Welcome back to another video here with Forex Live. In today's video, I just want to show you guys the best spike detector out there that doesn't repin. It gives you good signals and you guys can make money from it if you follow the rules. So this is the Forex Live spike detector system. Okay, if this is your first time on the channel, please go ahead, like, subscribe, turn on your notification bell so you can get notified when I do drop more videos, and also comment down below what videos you'd like me to make next. So if you are enjoying the videos and the strategies that I am posting on this channel, we would like to get this channel up to 5,000 subscribers before the end of October. So I hope you guys can help me achieve this goal. But nevertheless, let's get straight into Forex Live Spike Detector system. I'm going to explain to you guys the way the system works. It's really easy, 2 rules to follow. If you follow those rules, you will definitely make money. So currently we are on Boom 1000 and the rules are easy. Okay, the rules are easy to follow. All you need to remember is for Boom pairs, Boom 1000, 500, 300, everything needs to be blue. So you need to have blue arrows and you need to have the blue spike area. And for crash, everything needs to be red. So red arrows and a red spike area. So if we have a look at Boom 1000, I'm going to try not to make this video long. Just going to run through it. You guys can join my Telegram group below. You can message me directly. Sorry, I'll drop the link to my Telegram group below where you guys can join, and I'll also leave my personal details, my Telegram handle, as well as my WhatsApp number, where you guys can go ahead and contact me directly if you have any questions about the system. I post results about it every day in the group of students actually using it and making money. So if we have a look here, this is on Boom 1000 currently. Okay, so the way I'm going to explain this to you, you guys just need to follow those 2 rules. All you need to remember is when you are on Boom 1000, once the spike area goes blue, all you're going to be waiting for is the blue arrow. So once the blue arrow pops up and your spike area is blue, you go ahead and you take that trade. You take the trade and you'll catch the spike. You'll also get the support and resistance indicator, which is for free in the market. You'll get it with the system. So it can give you some guidelines as to where the market will retrace to. Because remember, the markets are always retracing. You have your break and retest, market structure, all of these things. So you always need to see where the market would potentially retrace to and then continue the direction. So over here we had a nice sniper entry, and then here we had our 2 arrows and the market retraced back to the support zone. Okay, we had another indication, 2 arrows over here advising that a spike is going to happen, and the spike did happen. Sometimes it will take a bit longer, but that is the great thing about the system. It does not repaint, so it's not going to pop up here. The arrow won't pop up here and keep on moving till eventually the spike happens, because that is what people do. They sell things and they how can I say, they advertise it as if it's a sniper. So on every spike there would be an arrow. On every spike there would be an arrow, and people would purchase these things and get scammed. So I'm out here just to show you guys that nothing is 100% in the market. At least I've got this up to 85% accurate for you guys. And if you follow the rules and you practice proper risk management, you can definitely make money. Everybody that has bought this has been making money from it. Some people do struggle because they're not used to catching spikes and they don't apply proper risk management, and they end up losing some money. However, I do help them. When they do struggle, I do help them. Any questions, any guidance they need, I help them with it, because it's literally just 2 rules that you need to follow. The recommended stop loss for the system is 20 candles. However, it is dependent on your account size as well. So you can have an account size of $500 and 20 candles would mean nothing to you. So it all depends on your account size. I had one student actually grow his account in 24 hours from $6 to $94 just using this system. So as you guys can see over here, blue arrow and it spiked. Because the spike area is blue, we will take the signals, okay? Blue arrow, spike. Blue arrow, the spike did happen, but it was a small spike. Blue arrow, spike happened over here, but it was a small spike. Blue arrows again, and then it continued to spike all the way up. Now, once it turns red, like over here, we don't take any signals, okay? So if we're in the trade, so it started blue over here, we would have caught that spike, and here we would have been caught by this retracement. This would have been a win over here. Blue arrow, blue spike area, and it spiked. And here we can see the market is retracing a bit, shot all the way back up, and then retraced. And here we can see this retracement. And once it turns red, it means that the market's going into a downtrend. So we don't take any trades when it's red. Okay, as you can see, this red means that it is in a downtrend. When it's blue, it means that it's in an uptrend, and you can go ahead and take the trades. It's not advisable because this is a spike detector system. However, you can use the spike area to take sells on boom and buys on crash. So once it turns red, you can place your sell, and once it turns blue, you can then go ahead and exit your sell. It's not advisable. Only if you understand price action, do use the spike area in that way, but this is only a spike detector system. Let's have a look at boom 500. This is all on the current market. So we can see all of these nice entries that we got here on boom 500. Nice sniper entries, some with a little drawdown, which is okay because, like I said, nothing in forex or in trading is 100%. We try to make it as accurate as possible. And we can see these nice entries over here. Now, in a situation like this, where you get the blue arrows, but your spike area is red, do not take the trade. Okay, do not take the trade because it is an indication of a downtrend. Even though, yes, it did spike, if you have no knowledge about price action and you don't combine it with the system, don't take the trade because like most of the time, 90% of the time, you'll end up in a loss. Okay, because it's indicating that there's a trend reversal in the market. So we can see all the spikes that it caught. So here it caught 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10 spikes just with the signal over here. Once it does spike, so let's say you get this arrow and the spike area is blue and you enter, you can always just trail your stop loss. Keep moving your stop loss just below the previous spike. You move your stop loss just below the previous spike because you know that more spikes should happen because the spike area is blue. It's an indication that the market is in an uptrend. So you can always just trail your stop loss, or you can just catch one spike and close and wait for the next signal, catch the spike and close. Catch this and close. You can do it whichever way you prefer. But this is what it looks like on boom 500. So we can see nice entries, really nice entries. If you want to enlarge the arrows, all you do is you just go ahead and you change the width of the arrows, maybe to a 3, so you can see it more clearly. And there you can see the arrows more clearly in order for you to take those trades. Okay, this is boom 300. I'm just going to do that on this one as well, just so that you guys can see. I'll just change it. So here, as an example, like I said, when it's blue, when the blue arrows pop up and the spike area is red, we do not take the trade, okay? This would have ended in a loss because the spike area is red. It's indicating that it is changing into a downtrend. So here we would have caught this one. This one would have been a break-even trade over there. But as you can see, boom 300 has been up, down, mostly in a downtrend. Even though this spikes happen, the trend is still in a downtrend, and that's why the spike detector did not give any signals to catch the spikes, because the overall trend of the market is in a downtrend, as you can see. This over here, we would not take it, even though it gave some good entries. If you don't combine it with price action and you don't understand market structure, do not take these trades. I repeat, do not take these trades, because not always will it give you these sniper entries when it is in a downtrend. Okay, but the market has been up and down on Boom 300 for quite some time. But here we can see in an uptrend, it gave us nice sniper entries, and you could have made some money from Boom 300. Now we're just going to move over to Crash 1000. I'm just going to do the same thing, just change this so that you guys can see the arrows. Okay, so over here on the current market, Crash 1000, it gave the spike detector signals, and the spike area changed red. The spike area, hold on, sorry about this, guys. Okay, the spike area changed red. So yeah, the spike area changed red, and the spike detector gave the signal. However, it did not spike immediately, so this would have been a loss. If you took your 20 candles, you would have ended in a loss over here. Because the market is retracing, it is continuing with the uptrend, the overall uptrend that it's in. But when we do, remember over here, we won't take this trade, because for crash pairs, everything needs to be red. So we need a red spike area, and we need a red spike detector, which means red arrows. Okay, so we can see over here, that's a bit of a retracement, so that would have been a loss. But all of these would have been wins. So yes, you will encounter losses along the way, like that would have been a loss, and the current one, that one would have been a loss as well. That's 2 losses. However, this one I would have closed once the spike area turned blue. So that's 3 losses. That's 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, 7, 8, 9, 10, 11, 12, 13, 14, 15, 16, 17 wins. So that's 17 wins for 3 losses. The odds are in your favor when using the spike detector. Remember, when it's blue, it means it's an uptrend. And like I said, if you understand price action, you can definitely go ahead and take a buy once the spike area turns blue. And over here again, you'd have made plenty of profits just using the spike detector system. Just gonna go over to Crash 500 for you. So when you purchase the system and it ends up doing this, just right click and refresh your screen, and the spike area will fill up the screen again. Okay, so I'm just going to go ahead and make this a bit bigger here real quickly so that you guys can see these arrows as well. Okay, so over here, this is Crash 500, currently in an uptrend. We wouldn't take this trade. These are the trades we would take because our conditions are met. A red spike area and a red spike detector, which is our red arrows. And we would take these trades and we would win all of these trades. All of these trades would have been wins. This one would of course been a loss. We would have closed once the spike area changed blue. However, look at those nice entries. That's a retracement, so that's a loss over there. But overall, really, really great results. And then Crash 300. Let's just get this quickly. So on Crash 300, currently it's in an uptrend. As you guys can see, the spike area is blue, which is showing that it's in an uptrend. But over here, when it is in a downtrend, when the spike area is red, we tend to get nice sniper entries. On Crash 300, very good entries over there, massive profits to be made. Okay, there's some drawdown. That's a nice entry with all of those spikes being caught over there. And then of course uptrend, we don't take the trades, only when it's in a downtrend. And this is 100% non-repaint system. It only costs you $80. So if you are interested, guys, you can WhatsApp me directly and the system will be sent through to you for $80. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I hope you guys enjoy the system and make lots and lots of profits with this system. I will see you guys on the next video.